Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to dive deeper into your Power BI reports and get hands-on with DAX, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through using the filter function in Power BI to create both a filtered table and a measure. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull out specific subsets of data and roll up their totals with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're new to DAX or looking to sharpen your skills, you'll walk away with practical techniques you can use in your own projects. Let's jump right in with our sample table, which we'll call sales data. Imagine you have simple sales records, order ID, product, category, and sales amount covering electronics, clothing, and furniture. This is typical of what you'll see in a business with a mix of products. We want to focus in on just the electronics sales, so our first step is to create a filtered table. Head to the Modeling tab and choose New Table. I'll paste the DAX formula in the description for your reference, but here's what we're going to do. Type in electronics only equals filter open parenthesis sales data comma and then the next part filters sales data category equals electronics close parenthesis. What this does is pretty straightforward, but let's talk about the why. Filter lets you sift through your entire sales data table and only pull out the rows where category is electronics. Think of it like picking just the apples from a mixed fruit basket. The new electronics only table you create will instantly update and only display those three rows: laptop, phone, and headphones. This is great when you want to create visuals or calculations that focus on just one product group without cluttering up your whole report. Now, let's say you want to know the total sales, but again, only for electronics, no distractions from clothing or furniture. This is where a DAX measure comes into play and the filter function proves its versatility. Go back to modeling and this time select New Measure. Enter this formula. Calculate open parenthesis sum of sales data sales, comma, then that same filter we used before, sales data where category is electronics. Calculate takes your basic sum and thanks to filter only adds up values that pass the condition. Why do it this way? Because measures are dynamic, they can adjust as you slice and dice your data in visuals. So even if your dataset changes or you add more products, this total will always reflect only the electronics sales. Let's see these in action. First, insert a table visual and add in product, category, and sales from your sales data or your electronics only table. You'll see right away that the filtered table only lists the electronics products. Then for a high-level summary, drop a card visual onto your report and drag in your total electronics sales measure. Instantly, the number pops up, 2,350, which is the sum of laptop, phone, and headphone sales. 1,200, 850, and 300. If your numbers don't match, double-check that your category names are spelled exactly the same as in your filter. Sometimes a tiny typo can throw off the results. So in this quick demo, you've seen filter in action both ways, creating a brand new focused table and powering up a calculated measure for dynamic analysis. This approach is super handy when you want to create dashboards that spotlight just a segment of your business, or to verify that your filters are working exactly as intended. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or get stuck along the way. I read every comment and I'm happy to help. And if you want more Power BI and DAX deep dives, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.